Do you want to learn how to download free media from websites that charge for their services? Hello guys, in this video, I am going to tell you the two most cool and useful extensions that will allow you to download any media for free. The first Chrome extension is Bulk Video Downloader. This is a free extension, and this extension is also available for Firefox. Just click on Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension to automatically download. And this is the extension right here. Now that we have clicked the Bulk Video Downloader icon, the window for the program has shown. I want to download this video. I will just simply reload the page. The list of files I can download will be displayed, and I want to download the video. I will just simply select the file format to videos, then it selects the file of video format. Just click on download, it will automatically download the file to your computer. Only when the grabber window is open and there is an R badge notice in the toolbar area does monitoring of the network resources take place. When the grabber window is closed, this Chrome extension has no effect on the speed of your browser. Only when the grabber window is open and there is an R badge notice in the toolbar area does monitoring of the network resources take place. You can tell it to stop monitoring your web browsing, therefore, it becomes more trustworthy. The YouTube links in Bulk Media Downloader are not stored. It is not a downloader for YouTube. Bulk Media Downloader is not responsible for the media content that you download. Your download of any media content is not its responsibility. The second Chrome extension is Audio Downloader Prime. With the help of the extension Audio Downloader Prime, you may instantly download major audio formats from the toolbar pop-up of your browser. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Is this icon right here? You can add, delete, or disable audio formats from the options page. There is also an option to specify the minimum size for audio to trigger the download. Let's try it on transcribe.me. I already have a file to download. Then click on Audio Downloader Prime and you see the audio files available to download. Here is one which is the audio file from transcribing. You can see the file name and also the size of the file. Before downloading any audio file, we strongly advise you to check the related media copyright permits on each website. The media files you download with this extension are not the responsibility of Audio Downloader Prime. According to this publisher, your data is not being sold to third parties and only be used for the intended purposes. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to view more videos.